Said the man who feel him a fool, or he be the wise man. For the man who don't think he's a fool, he control his destiny, but he's too cool for himself. For himself, for himself. Oh, I need.
Forcefully on the tongue. Oh, that's horrible. Lift the uvula, a little boxing bag at the back of your mouth with a spoon. Press the chest and holding the knees up. Lean forward. Okay. And then your left ear. Hello.
Hi, babe.
Hey.
Still the hiccups?
Yeah, going on 6 hours now.
Are they gone? They're not gone at all? Have you tried everything? What have you tried?
I tried the sugar. I tried the water. I even tried the frozen spoon on the temple. And there's a thing on... What?
Did you eat sugar?
Yeah. There was a thing on the internet that said yank your tongue, but it really didn't work very well, and it kind of hurt. And, yeah, I'm pretty much gonna die.
Have you been scared yet?
No.
No? Well, jump up and down 4 times. Do 2 jumping jacks. Spin around twice, touch the ground, jump back up, and then jump up and down 3 more times.
You're just making that up to make me do something stupid?
No, it'll really work.
Alright, I'll give it a shot.
Okay.
New Jersey bound, and sound asleep, they'll find you at your most vulnerable pole position. Speak up loud, and down the street, the corner voice, fuck shit up, scream loud, scream sayonara, sweet Josephine.
They're gone. Thank you. Oh my God. It's just a dream. It's just a dream.